tips. You gotta find a spot. Come here. Come on. Just sit right there. No, just. All right. You're good. You're good. All right, here we go. Look at the camera. Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The 25 Home Salo Antique Industrial Sectional is a deep-seated sofa that is great for lounging. It's covered in air leather, which we found repels liquid, at least briefly, making it easier to clean up. The sofa offers a high level of support while still giving excellent levels of pressure relief and comfort. This video is sponsored by NapLab. NapLab is our sister channel where we put mattresses to the test. We test mattresses through our battery of 9 different tests to create the most objective, transparent, and helpful reviews possible. If you're in the market for a new mattress and need help, visit us over at naplab.com or on our channel on YouTube. Let's start with our performance tests. To determine the comfort and performance of the Salo, we take subjective measurements of 5 different factors. Balance was high on the seat cushions on the Salo. They offer a fair amount of pushback initially that quickly peters out. This level of balance helps to create a surface that is easier to move around on. Sinkage is fairly minimal on the Salo Sectional. Lighter bodies will feel that they are sitting more on top of the sofa, while heavier weights will sink more to a moderate depth. This type of sinkage helps to create a high level of support, while still remaining comfortable to sit on. Pressure relief on the Salo Sectional was excellent. Being a sectional with a deeper seat, you find yourself lounging rather than sitting like you would on a chair. This deeper seat depth means that it's not the most ergonomically balanced sofa, but it is great for lying out and lounging with your feet elevated on a table or the sofa itself. The balanced level of pressure relief we experience in testing is great for long periods of lying on the sofa. The Salo Sectional has a high level of support. Despite the excellent pressure relief, the medium firm feel and moderate sinkage creates a supportive surface. The wooden frame offers a strong base for the foam cushions to offer support throughout the seat and back. We found firmness levels for the Salo Sectional to be a 5 out of 10, where 10 is the most firm. The medium feel should be a good fit for most people. However, if you prefer to sink deeper into your sofa, you may want to consider something softer. There really isn't an assembly process for the 25 Home Salo Sectional, as it comes fully assembled. The majority of the work is unboxing the sofa and removing the packaging. The sofa we tested was quite large, and there was a good amount of packing materials to remove. It took one person around 30 minutes to unbox and remove the packing materials. Once that's done, the actual setup is incredibly easy. Just move the sofa into place, secure the clasps, put the cushions on it, and you're done. Do make sure you double check that the plastic feet are properly attached to the legs. One of my plastic feet fell off. However, I was able to reattach it with a finishing nail. Overall design for the 25 Home Salo Sectional is quite good. Across the entire sofa, they use a fabric they call air leather. According to the manufacturer, as a high-strength fiber, air leather is 1 time stronger than cotton and 3 times stronger than wool, making this fabric scratch-resistant and perfect for pets and children. Not only that, Salo Antique Industrial Air Leather Closed Sectional is also non-wrinkle and non-pilling, giving you the most worry-free experience. So far, I'm pleased with the fabric. We've had a few minor liquid spills thanks to the kids. The liquid remained on the surface of the fabric while we went to get some paper towels to clean up the mess. Seems to do a good job at repelling liquid, at least briefly, instead of just absorbing it into the fabric. The air leather has also done excellent versus my dog, who runs fast, jumps high, and has her nails and body all over the sofa. I haven't seen any noticeable wear and tear on the sofa due to the dog. The legs on the sofa are quite minimal, but that is by design. They are practically invisible and almost seem to fade into the floor. The frame of the sofa is durable and well built, the arms are supportive and offer minimal padding, and the whole sofa, pillows and cushions included, are covered in the air leather. The sofa cushions on the Salo offer a good amount of filling, mainly of polyfoam. They are quite supportive, creating a 5 out of 10 firmness, where 10 is the most firm. Back cushions on the Salo were comfortable as well. They are filled to a medium density with polyfiber and feathers. They aren't affixed to the sofa, which could be a pro or con. In our case, we have kids and dogs constantly shifting the cushions around and pushing them over, which can be a bit annoying. They offer a removable cover with a zipper that is covered by a flap in some cases, or on the outer edge in others. The pillows are small, well-filled, and reasonably dense. 25 Home offers a wide range of furniture to choose from beyond the Salo Antique Industrial Sectional. Regarding the Salo sofas, there are many options with different configurations, colors, and sizes. We tested the 25 Home Salo Antique Industrial Air Leather Closed Sectional. This piece comes in gray or tan with left and right facing options. In addition, it comes in 3 different size options: 115 inches, 151 inches, and 187 inches. Furthermore, you can also buy an ottoman of a similar style to add onto the sectional. The sofa itself is quite large and a good bit deeper than many others we've tested. This table shows the full dimensions of the Salo versus the all-form sofa with its more typical dimensions. Shipping isn't free for the 25 Home sectional. They offer a curbside delivery option for around $50. Currently, their in-room delivery service is closed due to COVID-19 concerns, but that may be changed at a later date. Returns are also not free. They charge 10% of the initial purchase if the product is returned with original packaging, or 20% without it. But that return fee is capped at $250. 25 Home offers a 1-year warranty that covers defects in materials and workmanship. I would recommend the 25 Home Salo Antique Industrial Air Sectional for those looking for something to lounge on. The sofa has deep seats, deeper than many we've tested. While this makes it more difficult to sit on like a traditional sofa, it makes it perfect to lie down and relax into. In addition, the air leather that covers the sectional is easy to clean. We have kids and pets constantly using the sofa, causing spills and other messes. The fabric has been able to repel the liquid for long enough to be cleaned up with a paper towel. Finally, it's easy to set up thanks to how 25 Home ships the sofa. If your goal is to relax, Salo Antique might be the right choice for you. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the Salo sofa, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.